My name is Anthony Allen, welcome here to my YouTube channel, and in this video I'm going to show you and take you through the whole process of setting up your Western Union account online. It's the one and only Anthony Allen. So as I just mentioned in the introduction to this video, I'm going to take you through the whole process of setting up Western Union online. If you enjoy this video, at any point give me a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to this YouTube channel so that you can be notified of new uploads that I deliver or upload to this YouTube channel. I'm going to take you through the whole process step by step, but of course if you have any questions, I'm very active here on YouTube and I'll be down in the comment section of this video. I'm now about to screen share the whole entire process and I'll be talking you through the whole thing to make things a lot easier for you online, and that's coming up right now. Let's screen share. So here we are on the official Western Union website. Now you can already see a demonstration as to how this transfer will look. And the website says, send money abroad from the UK. Fast, reliable international money transfers to over 200 countries and territories. You can see here an example of sending a transfer from the UK to India, with the amount being 100 Great British pounds, and then you can check the rates. You can also see that they care about fraud and your privacy, and they're also reassuring you that Western Union provides transfers you can trust. You can choose where you're sending your money, choose who you're sending it to, and you can also choose how you intend to pay. Now let's scroll back up. We want to click on Register. For those of you who did not know that Western Union has an online website, please do give me a thumbs up, a big one. Western Union is a quite popular service in person, but it is also available online, as you're seeing here. Now, this is the registration page. This is where you would enter your first name, an optional middle name. If you have a middle name, you don't have to give your middle name, your surname, email address, and then create a password. So we're going to do this now, but I will be censoring the sensitive information on screen. Of course, there are terms and conditions of this service, and there is also an online privacy statement. If you would like to have a look at these before continuing, hover over the hyperlink or what you would like to have a look at, for example, terms and conditions. Maybe you don't want to navigate away from the page that you currently have open. Maybe you have poor internet connection, and maybe you're fearful that all of your hard work that you've just completed will be lost. That's fine, because I have a solution to this. Hold the control button and right click on your mouse. This will allow you other options when opening those terms and conditions. This works on every browser. You can open the link in a new tab, open the link in new window, open the link in incognito window. If you're worried about your privacy online, or of course you want to open the link as if you're a new user to the website who hasn't enabled cookies. For the example that I'm showing you here, I'm going to open link in new tab. As you can see, up above, we have opened the terms and conditions in a new tab. This means that I won't lose the progress that I've currently entered into this page. I can click away from the page and read the terms and conditions. Terms and conditions may vary due to your territory, as of course laws change with territory. You can scroll through and read the terms and conditions. When you're happy, you can close the tab or keep it open for reference. Once you've agreed to these terms and conditions, or if you wouldn't need to look at the terms and conditions anyway, you would then click click I agree to the Western Union terms and conditions and online privacy statement. You would then select continue. So now you can see an example of how you can send money online using Western Union. You can see that the money is being sent to India. You can see the amount in Great British Pounds, and you can see how much the receiver gets in their native currency. You can also see how does your receiver want the money. You can see that you can send it to them in cash, but most importantly, for those of you who are online right now and looking for this service, you probably most likely want to send it to a bank account. If your receiver has a bank account, this means that you can use Western Union to send payments abroad to somebody else's bank account or the receiver's bank account, which is brilliant. You can also see down below that this can be done by a debit card or bank transfer. You can also see how long this is going to take. For example, credit card or debit card payments will be done in minutes. Klarna, which will require a credit check to use, will require a fee, just like debit cards, but will also be sent in minutes. Faster payment bank transfers, which most people have applicable to them in the UK, will be sent in minutes with the same amount of fee. And to pay in cash will be sent in minutes. This, of course, is if you're going to make a transfer or what you're going to do. But for now, we have an account. By clicking on this menu here, you can look at the history of any payments you've made. You can add receivers, or you can refer a friend. I will be leaving a referral code in the description of this video. If you would like to get started with Western Union, you can have a look at that referral code. You also have other things, like for example, you can track your transfer to see what's happening with your transfer. You can find locations, maybe there's somewhere you would like to send the money directly for somebody to withdraw to. And of course there is Send Money, which is the tab that we're currently on. But I'll also be there in the comment section of this video to help you with as much knowledge that I have on this service as possible. So don't be afraid to hit me up with a comment in the comment section down below. Now let's have a look at the mobile app version of Western Union. Now let's download the official Western Union mobile application. Navigate through the Google Play Store or the Apple App Store and search Western Union. Once you have found the official Western Union account, you want to select and download the application. In the case of an iPhone user on the App Store, you would select Get. The app is free to use, and this will begin to download the mobile application to your phone. Once the app download has completed, open the Western Union app. Once the application has loaded, you want to click the Start button or Get Started. Western Union will then ask you where you would like to send money from. This is going to be the territory in which you currently reside. For demonstration purposes, I'm going to select where I currently reside, which is the UK. The next thing you will need to do is to select the language you would like to use. I have two options, English and Romanian. I'm going to select English. Once the Western Union application has taken the data into account, you will now be presented with a login or register screen. Because we've already registered with Western Union, we're not going to select Sign Up. Instead, we're going to select Login. Let's select Login now. Before entering our login details, Western Union is asking us if we would like to enable push notifications. If we enable push notifications, we will be notified of any changes to our Western Union account. This could be a confirmation of a payment received or a payment sent to a recipient. Once you enable this feature, you will have a notification appear on the front of your phone screen every time there is a change within your Western Union account. You can decline this within the settings of your mobile phone depending on your model, but for now we're going to select allow. We are now on the login page. In order to gain access to our Western Union account, we need to enter the combination that we used in order to register the account, which means we need to enter the email and the password of our registered Western Union account that we set up earlier. Because I have Touch ID enabled on my iPhone, Western Union is now asking for my Touch ID, basically my thumbprint, for an extra layer of security. If you have any problems following along with this step-by-step setup, remember to comment below this video so I can help you. Congratulations, you now have access to your Western Union account via the mobile phone application. Now let's have a quick look around the app. We're going to select the menu button in the top right hand corner of the application. Now you can see the options of the things that you can do with your Western Union account via your mobile phone application. You can send money, complete a function called Quick Resend, you can estimate the price of an exchange, you can track a transfer, you can update a delivery method of sending money, you can pick up cash, and you can find Western Union locations. You can also look at transaction history, look at your profile and edit your profile, refer a friend, contact customer service for help, or access the FAQ. If you would like to get started with Western Union today via the application or the website, I will be leaving a referral code in the description of this video. You can refer a friend and you can earn up to £50 in gift cards to use on Amazon and other retailers. Refer up to 5 friends and get £10 gift card for you and your friend each time. Use your gift card at Amazon, Google Play, iTunes, John Lewis, M&S, Nike, Starbucks and more. Invite up to 5 friends that register for Western Union online, and when they send £50 or more via Western Union, you and your friend can enjoy a £10 gift card. Simply click that link in the description of this video to get started with your Western Union account today. If you enjoyed this video, give me a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, Anthony Allen's YouTube channel, because if you enjoyed this, trust me, there's a lot more to come. I'm also very active here on YouTube. I love to talk to you guys in the comment section, so if you have any questions, of course I am involved in the comment section as well, and sometimes you have other people that get involved in the comment section and they provide their perspective on what's happening with the service or what experiences they've had with that service, application or software or website that we're talking about in my videos. So definitely another reason why you should subscribe to this channel, and always watch until the end of the video so that you don't miss any important information, and of course that all important end card. At the end of every video I always have a relating video or playlist that you will find interesting if you've made it this far, and that's coming up right now. I'll see you in the next video.